Hi guys, this video topic is Rustic Cabin Interior. A rustic cabin interior is a timeless design style that connect people to natural comfort and simplicity. Those now far is our textile, warm tone, and original material. A rustic cabin feel as those it's part of the natural landscape, bring the line benefit indoor and out. Here are comprehensive explore a rustic cabin interior, their elements, and then type for create a choosy aesthetic look. Furniture simple and functionally. Furniture in a rustic cabin should be principally comfortable and craft for short material wood price like pin or those are idea and often have a handmade quality. Frame house style dining table, think wood coffee table and oversized look soft create a cozy and invited shirt is fiber like such as